Kids Pandemic Learning. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and shake it all about. Do the hoogie boogie and turn yourself around. That is what it is all about. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and shake it all about. Do the hoogie boogie and turn yourself around. That is what it is all about. Put your right foot in, put your right foot out, put your right foot in and shake it all about. Do the hoogie boogie and turn yourself around. That is what it is all about. Put your left foot in, put your left foot out, put your left foot in and shake it all about. Do the hoogie boogie and turn yourself around. That is what it is all about. Put your whole self in, put your whole self out, put your whole self in and shake it all about. Do the hoogie boogie and turn yourself around. That is what it is all about. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Kids Pandemic Learning videos.